Welcome to VF. Hi. How are you doing?
Good.
This car's got some miles on it, you were mentioning.
Yeah, 10,000 now.
10,000.
In a year.
Yeah. Tell us a bit about the valve caps.
You know, I've had to replace them a few times.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, obviously we all like doing little things to our cars. You know, I mean, I've got the detailing with the red and all over the car. So, but yeah, no, it's just a little thing that, you know, I saw online and I thought, yeah, let me add that. But they keep getting stolen.
Really?
Yeah, they keep getting stolen. I came back to the car once and all 4 were gone. And I was like, really? Like, I just didn't know how they had the time to unscrew them all without anyone coming up to them and saying, what are you doing? But yeah, no, I've had to replace them a few times.
I guess
but
if someone wants something, they're going to find a way. So we're going to get the car on the dyno, we're going to baseline it for stock horsepower. Have you ever seen a dyno in operation?
I haven't, so I'm very excited to see it.
Excellent.
Very excited, and to hear it as well.
Yeah.
So Nick, in actuality, you're personal trainers for supercars. That's what you are.
You're bringing your best out of the car, so yeah, for sure.
Thank you. So we're going to dyno it just to show you the numbers we're going to expect.
Yeah.
We already have a rough idea of what it's going to do.
Yeah.
And we're doing this for fun. 570 at the crank is somewhere in the 300s at the wheels, at all 4 wheels. Yeah, it sounds a little peculiar, but I can tell from your vibe that's a little bit different to what you're expecting.
Oh, I don't know what to expect. I don't know how it all works, but I get you. Yeah.
It's the machine, it's what the machine does. That is really what we look at, just the numbers.
So you're saying closer to 700?
Closer to, it depends on where in the range.
Yeah.
It's probably closer to 650 at the top end, but in the mid-range you've gained over 120 horsepower with the flywheel and 130 pounds of torque. In that range, it's, well, the peak torque has gone up by 130 pounds. Peak horsepower hasn't, but the mid-range horsepower has. So if you're looking to know what your maximum power is, it's more like 650.
250.
So Simeon, thanks for coming to VF. You got to see us put your 570 GT on the dyno.
Yep. And it was crazy. Absolutely crazy. I was saying to you that I had the air plugs in, but I didn't put them in fully. And then halfway through, I was scrambling to put them in because it was so loud. It was crazy. But no, it was an enjoyable experience, especially because I've never seen it before. To finally experience it and have my car on the dyno was really crazy, and I'm looking forward to driving it.
Excellent. So we put the car on the dyno. We measured the power as you brought it into us, which was completely stock. And then we put our software in it, the high performance software, and ran the car again. So you can see the gains in the power on the graphs on the dyno machine.
Huge.
So you gained about 100 pounds of torque at the wheels, between like 2,500 and 5,000, which is a really sort of drivable range, and about 100 horsepower at the wheels. And I hope you have a lot of fun with it.
I hope so. Yeah, it should be fun. Thank you. Really appreciate it.
My pleasure.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming.
Awesome.
When you get a chance to drive it when it's dry.
Yep.
And like I said, keep in touch with me all the time. Yeah.
Thank you.
My pleasure.